Guys, I'm going to show you how I did this wonderful surf and turf on my Nuwave Brio Air Fryer coming up. Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get the alerts on all the good stuff we're doing here today. Okay, so I was at the store, saw this little 2-pack of fillets with bacon wrapped around them, decided to grab a pound of shrimp, and thought I would use my rotisserie attachment to my Nuwave Brio 10-quart air fryer. So I'm gonna walk you through what we did. I'm gonna show you the ingredients, and then from there we put the steaks on the rotisserie, made sure the prongs go into the sides of the meat, made sure everything was as tight as can be on there. All right, then we cooked it for about 10 minutes, got the temperature to about 115 or so. All right, and then for the next 5 minutes I dumped in some shrimp that we had marinating, and just some simple seasoning and a little bit of garlic and a little bit of olive oil. So we put that in there and we let it cook for another 5 minutes, checked on it, decided that the steak was done, so we pulled the steaks out and finished the shrimp for another 5 minutes. All right, easy as can be. All right guys, we're gonna go with the ingredients. Of course, we got our bacon wrapped fillets, and we got our 1620 shrimp with the tails on. For the fillets, we're using It's Incredible by Heaven Made Products. And then for the shrimp, we're using Magic Shrimp seasoning that I got in Louisiana, New Orleans. And then some minced garlic. And it's just sitting there marinating, and a little dry brine on the steaks. Back for the taste test. I already put this together. We took the thumbnail, made it all pretty, put some green stuff around it to make it look restaurant quality, because you know it is. So I'm gonna try a piece of this steak with that bacon wrapped around it. All right, all right. Looks like a nice medium on there. Oh, that's good. That's good. I finished it when it was resting. I threw a pat of butter on there, because you know butter and steak always goes well together. That's good. I used the little Heaven Made Products seasoning rub you saw in the ingredients. Ah, so good on steak. All right, let's get some of the shrimp. All right, we're gonna try the shrimp. So good, perfection, perfection attained. Guys, give this a shot. It's real easy to do. So all the seasonings will be listed below. I'll put the websites below for all the seasonings that I used for the shrimp and for the steak. I'll put a link below for the Nuwave Brio for my Amazon store. If you're thinking about buying one of these, and I think you should, use my link, all right? That's right, I just did the guns. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.